Mussels are overpopulating rivers and lakes and everything else. Long-term effect, it's going to disrupt the food web. And if you look at it on a larger scale, if there's less food and it keeps cascading up, I mean, it gets to the point where, you know, there's no fish. If there's no fish, you know, fishermen can't come and get the fish from the rivers and the lakes to feed people, and then it's going to have an impact on our food supply as well. So the goal of our project this summer for the SURE program was to see if the filter feeders Dreissena, which are your zebra and quagga mussels, they have two shells, and basically the way they eat is they take water in and they take in the nutrients from the water and then they filter it out. On a very, very small scale in the water, you have your microorganisms, which are your bacteria and all these other smaller organisms that feed on bacteria, and then a big organism feeds on them, and so on and so on. And so basically the thing that they are filtering through themselves is food for bacteria. I worked with, my mentor was Dr. Kavouras. He would lay out the day and say, okay, we have to work on, you know, this, this, and this today, and so we would do it, and you know, he was very helpful if we had any questions. The biggest challenge, I would say, was trying to get certain results. When you're working in a lab, you run your experiment, but sometimes it doesn't go always the way you want it to. I mean, the data you get is the data you get. So it's just being patient, and it's challenging sometimes to have to rethink your project and rethink the experiment that you ran, and make sure you know, dotted all your I's and crossed all your T's and made sure everything was done properly. And sometimes it doesn't work out, and then you have to start from scratch. So that's, you know, it's a little bit frustrating, but you have to be patient.